Here at Brauns Law, we help our clients free of charge with property damage. That's what we call anything dealing with the car after a wreck, from repairs, total loss, rentals, and things of that nature. By doing all of that, we've learned over the years everything that can go wrong and all the workarounds to try and get clients through it with the least amount of pain and stress as possible. One of the things we see a lot of is a client is in a wreck. It's not their fault. They're entitled to a rental car. They go to the rental car company in Atlanta. It's usually Enterprise. All the insurance companies have direct access and Enterprise reservation systems where they'll reserve cars for clients and give them a reservation number. But you go there and Enterprise says, "Oh, welcome. Please give me a credit card to put on file and we'll make a deposit which will return when the car comes back." Well, some clients are unbanked and don't have credit cards. Other clients, their credit cards are maxed out and they won't be able to put a deposit on there. That's a problem because the Enterprise and Hertz's of the world, the rental car companies, they operate by their own rules. And even though this wreck wasn't your fault, and even though you're entitled to a rental car, those companies still have requirements and they won't let you use their vehicles unless they're met. And so what we've done over the years is figured out one way, and it doesn't always work, but it does allow clients to get into it. One way to get around this problem is to call the insurance company who is providing you the rental car and ask them if they will put a friend or family member as the primary driver on that rental. That friend or family member then, if they have a credit card, can go in, put their credit card on file, and then you get the car. When you do this, a couple things to be careful of. One, you want to be listed as a secondary driver. You have to do that. Otherwise, if you're driving the car and you're not listed on the rental car application or paperwork and you're in a wreck, you'll have coverage issues, meaning you could be personally responsible for any damage to the car, personal injuries, things of that nature. So you always want to make sure you are listed as a secondary driver is what they call it. Your credit card won't be needed, but you'll have permission to use the car along with your friend or family member. The second thing to know is when you do this, you need to have the insurance company that's providing the rental car do it for you. We have to call them, ask them to put a friend or family member as a primary driver, and then the client as a secondary driver. Insurance companies, they all have access. They hook into the rental car companies directly through their computer systems. And so when we call an insurance company, they will basically enter a rental car reservation. They'll get a reservation number out of it. We communicate that to the client. And so when they're setting up that car in their system that talks to the rental car companies, they're the ones listing primary drivers, secondary drivers. And so that's just one thing to be careful of or to look out for if you're trying to get in a rental car. Hopefully this helped. If you have any other questions about anything relating to cars, rentals, anything regarding your wreck whatsoever, it's what we do for a living. Give us a call. We're happy to help. Again, this is David Brauns with Brauns Law.